Oh, hey guys, I want to show you some toy Shopkins and stuffed animal Shopkins. So let's get started. Here is my favorite one. Yep, she's really cute. She's sparkly too. Here's the ring one. He don't fit my finger, see? Oh no, he fell off. Nope. And here's the one. Cookie has this one. My fan Cookie. I'm gonna keep you occupied with another one. Let's get in. This one, she's really cute. I gotta find her name. Let's look in here. Shopkin. Called April Apricot. Guys, I don't know if I have any more Shopkins. Well, I do so. That's my bedroom. I am showing you guys. Well, no more Shopkins, so look, it's just me and my Shopkins. So I'll tell you why this one is my favorite. Because she's really sparkly. She's really cute. This one is my least favorite. I don't know why though. And this one, I can like turn it into something. Guys, please tell me if you want to turn this one into something. I won't turn her into something, but I have something more occupied. She's gonna walk with me. Come on. Well, maybe I don't, but she's still here. I can barely nope. There's my brother's squishy me. That one. She's like really pretty. So guys, please like and subscribe. Press the bell, you get notifications. Bye. More hot trending vids. You can watch them all. And tell us if you want us to bring 100. You'll get what you want. Bye. Please subscribe to more channels. And even subscribe of us making 100 layers on me. Bye. Should actually show it. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.